Let's learn how to type bold text on Facebook. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't allow you to type bold text in application, but there is a website that makes it pretty quick. We can go to, follow my steps carefully. First, let's open Facebook application on your device. Also be sure you are logged in your account on which you want to write in bold text. Once you opened Facebook application, you will see starting page. Next, I will click on option create a post, and now let's write our text we want to make bold. You can see that Facebook doesn't allow you to bold your text in application, but don't worry, there is a solution for it. Next thing you want to do is to copy your text and get out of Facebook app. After that, you want to open your internet browser. In this case, I'm using Safari, because I'm showing you this on iOS device, but it works on every web browser. Then on a search bar, you need to type yatex.com for me. That's the best site, but you can use whatever you want. This site offers you many different styles you can use to decorate your text and make it better. Now you have to click on this white square which will appear on your screen when you've done it. Click it once, and then click on paste option that will appear. You can see that this site showed many different styles for a text you typed. It depends that type of letters you need. In our case, it will be bold text, so click on right side of your screen to copy the text. So let's go back to your Facebook app. You want to delete your old text and replace with new one by pasting it there, and now you can share your post and you are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.